Every night at 2 in the morning, the same stranger opens my Instagram. No like, no message, he just watches. 3 years ago, this same man watched me almost die on the side of a highway. I only found this out a few weeks ago. I'd started using a tool that shows who actually opens your profile, not who likes your posts, who looks. And one account kept surfacing. Same account, same time, every single night. At first, I figured it was a bot. But bots don't keep coming back at 2:11 in the morning and stay for 20 minutes. This one did, night after night. So I opened the account. No posts, no bio, one profile photo, a man in a dark uniform standing in front of an ambulance. And my whole body went cold, because I had seen that face before, once, for maybe 4 minutes, on the worst night of my life. 3 years ago, I was in a car accident. I don't remember most of it, but I remember hands pulling me and a voice saying, "Stay with me, you're okay, stay awake." Then everything went black. I woke up in a hospital 2 days later. I never got his name. I never got to say thank you. And now, 3 years on, he is the first person to open my profile almost every night, at 2:11 in the morning, the exact minute the emergency call came in. I went back through the data. On the anniversary of the crash, he opened my page more than 40 times in one night. I think he just needs to know I made it, that the girl he pulled out of that car is still here, still posting, still okay. He never types a word, he just checks, like he's keeping count. There is a whole story sitting in your profile visitors right now. People carrying something you would never guess. Strangers, people you thought forgot you. If you want to see who has really been watching, the link is in the description.